Notion is my go-to tool for boosting productivity and staying organized. First, I create a dashboard that serves as my command center. I customize it with links to my projects, to-do lists, and calendars. This way, everything I need is just a click away. Next, I use databases to track tasks and notes. I love the flexibility of toggling between different views, whether it's a Kanban board for my projects or a simple list for daily tasks. It keeps my workflow dynamic and visually appealing. I also leverage templates. Notion has a ton of pre-made options for everything from meeting notes to habit trackers. I tweak them to fit my style, saving me time and effort. Finally, I integrate reminders and deadlines, ensuring I never miss a beat. With Notion, I can focus on what truly matters, all while keeping my life organized and productive. It's like having a personal assistant right at my fingertips.